Well, as you may know, say, me did travel and me get one barrel. So me go down a wharf and go clear the barrel. And me I tell you, say, not even church me no go today. And from yesterday, me a hand pack the barrel. God Almighty, it take long. Can you imagine the people that were pack a barrel? The stress where they undergo. And when them go through all of them, the process there. For pack a barrel and pack it neat to you know, ma. Hey. And then when he catch ya, a Jamaica ya, to them family, they're not grateful. They're not grateful. But anytime then tap send barrel come here, then we know what God them a serve. Because me I tell you, not even church me no go to the fi hand pack the barrel. We show you how we take long. And like I tell you, a whole heap of thing pack up in the barrel there, you know. Well, me hand pack some already and share them out. We send them go give the other family member them. Cause you know, why nobody say me thief nothing for them, you know. Well, then name come pan the things them and come in the bag. So any thief in Guan, I must down at the wharf. Can be too holy and no fit thief. And I can't tell you, where do you when me I go at the funeral? And me I call me Sister Mark. Fi come out. Sister Mark. And the clothes of me see Sister Mark Avan. Favor some whole hand me dung flower bag cloth. The clothes never turn good at all where she have on. Me never know what kind of riffraff clothes that Sister Mark did have on. But true, you know me already. Me have to keep me eye where me I go. So me never even bother say nothing to her. But me have to come home, come tell me about it. So me no do nothing more than catch one good piece of clothes for her. Where do you when we travel? Me see there? And this a nice dress here. Yes. It can fit her. Yes. Me know her size. She must got shoes. His shoes never look too bad. And as you know, money not there. When you travel to buy this whole passing thing to care back for people. So I go hope she dress up in her hair because me get to understand say rally I go there at church. And see there one wig. Oh right, she get all handbag. Hey, she didn't put on nothing. She better glad feet and lucky. And back to the rally business. Like I tell you, I don't know when it come down to end here. This whole heap of rally. Boy, me no understand it. But let me tell you, I want green line me I walk with from where there. Because if pastor ever think say a little money when me car down from foreign, me Alfanso, I go take it, car come dash the whole light in a half and plate a rally. He make a sad mistake. Because me have me water bill fi pay, me water cut off. And me have me big light bill fi pay. Because me don't know where Brian in a do with light. So when we left here, it look like he must in a keep party. Or me don't know where we sessioning, calling or what. Because me don't know how the light bill could have escalate so. Something must have wrong because right here now, me hot. Me outfit pass off. I see, me take a fan because me have to monitor the fan. Me can't make it burn all day, all night, and me never can afford AC. Cause me can't pay water bill, me no know where me I go find money fi get that AC. Hmm? Yeah, back to the unpacking of the barrel here. So me when can this your phone for Brian and him a go make me know say grandfather them your phone enough for young people and me fi use it. But he must know. He might tell me saying one iPhone, he can't go and go take it. And me carry the shoes here for him. Well, if him no want it, he can make me give to sister my grandson. You understand? Because then less fortunate now. No say this. No say this is so. No say this is so. But attitude, me a dark. Yes. But for Brian situation me can manage it. Because all me hear him a talk about where they are clerks. And him a go say to me, say, me want one new clocks, daddy. Me never know where I say. Appear that me hear him a sing and a talk about clocks where the, where the new clocks, the daddy. Hey. He can go and go put himself in a trouble for clocks. Because the last time me hear how much for one clocks, me could have buy one piece of land. Alright. So after people we have money, me no got it, me no got no money. Me make sure me have me green line in my pocket. Yeah. I walk around with cause sometimes me put one money in my pocket. And by the time me go spend me, I feel one day if I last, say money last. See, let me bring one jeans for him too. Make me show you know, one cut up jeans. In lucky. So if you no want the shoes and you no want the jeans, you can give me and make me give to sister my grandson. As me tell you already. Alright. So me have more things in here but this after wanna me family them. Yes. So make it stay there so. Cause me no want nobody go say me take when no belongs to me. And me never bother get no whole heap of things. You know the whole heap of pantry things them. Because it Jamaica people them. They don't know how to cook. They claim to say them are the best in a cooking. But a lot of things them don't know because if them did know about cooking as kind to how they can brag and boast. Hey, them would have want the pantry things. Because I can tell you something. Time to time, me get all the black bean and 2 whole peas dear. I market 2 tin of black bean, some coconut milk and me season it up and me put my rice in there. Hey, no nice so. And well, you have all the Campbell soup them. And sometimes you know feel too good I like how me have the COVID you know. I hit me gear because me not have time to go a fireside. That a fear duty. And this a one I say garbanzo bean. Chickpeas. Yes, me never know say chicken peas, but nevertheless. But this nice when you curry it up, you know, and make all one something like patty, and you put it in at the inside, you know. It very nice. Yes, it have whole heap of different things how you can make it, you can curry it with coconut milk and all these things. Very nice. But as me tell you already, say the Jamaica people them very show up and chat too much, but they don't know how to cook. And this now a chili bean. Yes. And this I will use to make it taco. Yes. And yes, one bottle of mayonnaise. So make me pack them up back. I will eat more things in there, you know, but the time I go, you know. And me have to go choir practice. because pastor said we try come at the choir practice early. In my practice because as you know the rally coming up, and him want to make a big statement at the rally. But me Alfanso no say no big statement nah make. eh? At the big offering plate in one care out him a talk about big statement because he thinks say people got money a dash way. Them a scammer them. But then I go trick me and scam my little money. When me fi take pay me bills. Because no matter how you sick, no matter how you sick, cause see there, me can hardly go. And he only want to know say me come at church 1 week, me never go at church. He might wonder say how me no come at church and I go see me and tell me say not because me whole, me can still come at church. But all me know say had the money him want. Him no care if me want come yes or no. But true me want fi have me party in the church there that when me pass off, then me can get a good burial. So I hit make me have a scramble and go to church all the while. But cause right here now cross it back here so I give me hell due to how me have it down in the barrel. And me can't allow Brian to go down in the barrel, you know. Me have to monitor it myself because Brian will take out every God Almighty thing and can go give in whole bleach out face girl them, in whole dry foot girl them, and in ganja smoking boy them out a road. All and all them talk about is a special and the pan. I don't want to care my things go give them. Not at all, not at all. So me have to monitor the barrel myself. Oh. You hear what me say? Oh no hear what me say? Alright. So thank you, you hear. Please to like. Subscribe and share, and don't forget to Brian, Brian, Brian. Yes, grandfather. Yes, grandfather. Okay, grandfather. Okay, all right. But Brian, how your clothes looks upon you, Brian? Fix up your clothes before me take something and clap you this evening, you know, Brian. You think some I joke with you, boy? All right, grandfather. All right. Brian, me a come go down a church a choir practice. But them a go have young people service before the choir practice. So me now go come back till about 9 o'clock, 9:30, cause you know me now walk fast already. So as you know say, me nah get to pay me salary because he never come and me nah get through the wharf early. So me want you, hold on. Me want you to give Mr. Reed that $10,000 you for me. Come me, come look see me account it out with the boy. Because them you know what these young people, they go on their bed with wants and wake up with gimme. It's like every sleep and turn, them a dream about money. Then go to them bed with money pan their mind and wake up with money pan their mind. They must think say people are walk around with ATM machine pan them or in them pocket. Rotted see $2,000 drop a ground here at this in one for thief the money, you know. Because three know me not see good. And me gone left this at church. He would have thief it. Me not trust them. So see there, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. This look like the double. Let me count it again. Because me have to make sure I don't know how the government making money then have the same color so. And a full time now for them take off them your whole dead people pan the money. And them you making money they not got no use. Then this a fly fast so. They need to put some living people pan the money man. So the money can get used cause the living people I use the money. Me sick and tired of the dead people them pan the money. Yes. So this are 2, 3, 4. Me know why you count nothing for me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Me why you give me sorry this. See there? Alright. And about 7:30, you give your grandmama that Panadol extra strength here with the bottle of water here because as you know water commission cut off the pipe. Me can hardly find water. I pay mosquito in the water around her back there. Because me not look for say them would then come and even carry one drum of water or one barrel of water or something come issue in the community. Nothing. But maybe I mean one no got no water coming ain't got money to pay the water bill. So nevertheless, give her the bottle of water you finish. Because she claims to say this is the only water she like. So just give her it. Yeah, with the pin. Um, when you hear the dog a bark, that means me dip on me way soon reach the gate. You put on the kettle, me draw that green tea yeah, before me go on my bed. Yes, draw the green tea yeah. And when me travel, me get used to the green tea, then say good for me body. Very good. I don't know what a good it about good, but me start drinking from when you then say it make you lose weight because me I get up in a age now and me got too much weight round here so. But as you know me already me love these sweets. Yes, because no matter when me do you know man. About time me be panano 75. So I don't see what else me can do to spare life. So me know me I go someday, so me this eat and drink and be merry. Tomorrow no promise to nobody. Alright, me I come along you know. Alright. So grandfather, ask you want me to have the my clothes, grandfather. This don't look good, grandfather. This don't look good at all, grandfather, man. Eh? All you want then say me all grandfather, man. Grandfather, what kind of thing that, man? Oh, grandfather, man. Oh, man. Oh. Grandfather, I saw we are wear the pants them now, you know, grandfather. I know the back in the days thing now, you know. Grandfather, man, let me tell you something, grandfather. Your days and my days are two different days. Yeah. Man, a top man, grandfather. Grandfather, man, a top man. Man, a top man, grandfather. Yeah. Grandfather, you know, see. You know, see how much bling out and thing, grandfather. Alright, grandfather. Yeah, man, alright. Maybe give me some reading money. Yeah, man. You can trust me on that, grandfather. Trust me, man. You can trust me on that. I want to sit down out the road. They tell Mr. Reed come. Okay, grandfather. I want to go to church, grandfather. Remember, to pray for me. Yeah, I really want change still, you know. Because I want my mother proud of me in Canada. But Pray a little harder, your grandfather, and see what can happen. Yeah.